Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to continue your Google Chrome browser from where you have closed your Chrome browser. So for this guys, first you need to do some settings. Just open your browser. On the top right side you can see three dots. Just click on it. From here you want to open the settings. In the settings, from the left panel you can get the option on startup. Just click on it. So from here you can get the option continue where you left off. Just you want to check this option, that's it. So after this guys, now I am going to close my Google Chrome browser. So as you can see, now I have closed my browser. Now I am going to open my browser. So as you can see guys, from where I have closed my browser, on that same tab the Google Chrome browser was open, as you can see. So this is the very easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.